Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about how to extract multiple videos from one long video on the iPhone. Well, a few options on how you can do it. I'm going to show you the two most popular or best in my opinion. So you're going to essentially open up the Photos app and find any video which you want to edit. Let's say it's going to be this one right here, which is about 2 minutes long. How do I extract some smaller videos from this? Okay, so what you gotta do is to click on this edit button at the bottom and essentially just grab this slider in here and choose the selected part which you want to extract from the video. So once you're happy with this, essentially you're gonna hit done, but in here you gotta pay attention to not save the video, but save video as a new clip. So don't click on the top option, but click on the one right here. And essentially what this means is that we still have the long video, which is 2 minutes and 13 seconds, but we also extracted one 27 seconds long video from that one. So you can repeat it as much as you want, and you can even revert this one back to the original, but there are plenty of options, and this one doesn't require you to get any third-party app or anything, so I think it is pretty useful. But besides that, there are also video editors which you can get. Some of them are free. For example, CapCut is a free video editor in which you can import as many clips as you want, and you can perform even more changes than that. So when you import a video, you obviously have the ability to cut out some of the portions and delete the ones that you don't need anymore. But of course, you can perform even more changes since this is a video editor, which is much more versatile. So definitely make sure that you get the most out of it and choose the right tools to edit and extract multiple videos from one long video. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.